guys, malapit na kami sa bundok na aming aakyatan. Good morning beautiful people! Today is June 15, 2020 and nandito kami ngayon mag-hiking sa Antipolo Hills. Ito mga kasama ko guys. Ayan, busy silang mag. Hi! Hi! Say hello! Hi guys! Guys, so guys, kung di pa kayo naka-subscribe sa aking channel, please click like and subscribe and tap the bell button for more videos. So, see you all there guys. Pagkakit namin sa so ngayon guys, mag-ano kami, guessing challenge, guessing game. Walang tanong, ano daw ang tawag sa ano pong tawag sa bundok na to?
Puting bato.
Puting bato. Tama yung nabasa ko doon, white rock.
Okay.
Sige po. Okay lang mag-video kami na.
Okay lang.
Sige.
Mga vlogger kasi yung mga kasama namin. Magba-vlog siya. Cover yung
pusong bato.
Tara guys, samahan kami.
Ayaw bawat tumakyat.
Yan, mamaya. Singer kami. Gusto. Pagbaba namin. Join kami dyan. Oh. Isang place.
Guys, we are now here on top of White Rock Mountains. It's called Puting Bato in Tagalog, guys. So I want to show you the place here and the exhilarating view. Look at that. And you can see that the houses over there. This is the Bagong Nayon, right?
Bagong Nayon ba?
Yeah, Bagong Nayon, San Isidro. So guys, this is an amazing experience climbing up the mountain. Yes, if you want to go here, you can just take the bus from Cubao to Kogyo or Painaan, and then it's just worth about 35 pesos, and then you get off to Providence Park or Providence Memorial Park, and then just maybe 3 or 5 minutes away, and then you can stop there, and then there's a small road going inside here. So if you want to experience, you can just message me here, drop your comment below, and I will show you the way. Anyway guys, if you will come here, this mountain is free of charge, so I think you can enjoy the whole day staying here and then exploring here. Look at this, so amazing. This is only in Philippines. It's more exciting in Philippines. It's more fun in Philippines.
Mahihingi pala.
Guys, kumakain kami ng itlog, napagod kami mag picture taking. Hindi umakyat kundi nag picture taking pala. Ayan. Kain tayo guys.
Hindi pagod. Sarap ng itlog.
Itlog, pampalakas.
Nawalang ano ba yun?
Oh.
Pampalakas ng tuhod. Itlog. Mukha mo natin.
So guys, nakit namin to.
So guys, nagbabalak na kami umuwi. Napagod na ang grupo, ang Power Pop Girls. Ayan, ang mga Power Pop Girls. Yan. So guys, so habang bata ka pa, habang malakas ka pa, enjoy life the fullest. Puntahan mo na yung mga lugar na gusto mong puntahan. It's really an amazing experience in this place. What a beautiful rock. Look at this. In the mountain of white rock. It's called white rock because the rocks are white. Of course naman, white nga lang naman black. So guys, ayun lang guys. So hanggat kaya mo pa talaga ang umakyat sa mga bundok, puntahan yung mga lugar na gusto mong puntahan, at meron ka naman time, puntahan mo na kasi it's really an amazing experience to come in this place today. Today is June 15, 2020. So, yun lang, kailangan daw, enjoy mo every minute of your life. Yung mga negative na tao, sipain mo. Suntukin mo. Yan,
Think
para mag-enjoy ka. Always think positive and enjoy life. Tanggalin yung mga excess baggage sa buhay mo para magaan yung buhay, right? So, hanggang dito na lang guys. At ito yung aking mga Power Pop Girls. Bye! Bye! See you on my next video. Please subscribe and hit the bell button para lagi ka